Iran is considered the main supporter of the Assad regime, whether in its war against the Syrians or financing it militarily and supplying it with various militias. Recently, Iran doubled the price of oil it sells to the Assad regime and forced conditions of advance payment in order to supply the oil to the regime, which deepened the fuel crisis. The Wall Street Journal stated that the line of credit that previously allowed the Assad regime to pay at later dates was quickly exhausted after Iran raised the price from an average of $30 per barrel. Now, Iran would impose advance fees for supplying oil to the regime. Officials in Iran informed the Assad regime that the price of oil that reaches Syria will be $70 per barrel from the previous $30. Iran, which is suffering from its own struggling economy, resulted in more than a third of the country now living in poverty, compared to 20% in 2015. The local currency also fell to a historic low against the US dollar in recent weeks.
That's the only thing that I was suggesting. And I think the only thing that is going to solve the economic, social, cultural, political crisis that the Iranian society, Iran as a culture, Iran as a country faces, the only solution to it is a kind of a national reconciliation, a kind of national recognition that everyone must contribute, and the recognition that the current leadership has brought the country to the verge of collapse.